बस मैं जरा अपलोड कर लूं। हमने अपनी स्क्रीन पे खोलनी ये है, ये अभी पहले आप ये कंफर्म करें कि डॉक्टर रऊफ साहब इसके ऊपर मौजूद हैं।
हाँ, वो मौजूद है।
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलें अब ऐसा करेंगे कि आप यहाँ पे बैठे और पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, मैं आपके साथ बैठती हूँ। अच्छा, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जी। आई एम डॉक्टर अफीफा खानम, आई एम इंचार्ज फैकल्टी रिसर्च एंड इवैल्यूएशन डिपार्टमेंट, and we are going to conduct a PhD defense of Miss Nadia Salim. And we have invited some of our faculty members and our PhD students for making it an open defense. So we are here, the supervisor, Dr. Fakhra Aziz, and I, Dr. Afifa Khanam, and the candidate, Miss Nadia Salim. We are here at the Department of Examination Controller's Office for conducting this activity. It is requested that kindly whoever is present in the meeting should introduce themselves so that we can see how many people are there, how many people have joined us. Ji, Habiba, could you please introduce yourself?
Me,
Yes.
Dr. Habiba. I'm from Lahore.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Next. Hello. Tehzeeb, are you there?
जी, I am there.
And I will request our Honorable Dr. Abdul Rauf if he is present there as an evaluator, because after a few minutes, Ms. Nadia Salim will start her presentation. So kindly, if you have joined the meeting, please confirm.
ये नहीं है।
जी, एक्चुअली ओप्पो A3 फोन है, किसी ने अपना नेम नहीं एग्जैक्ट लिखा, तो मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा कि वो किसका है। डॉक्टर मोहम्मद रऊफ आ
if you
गए।
are there, kindly Dr. Abdul Rauf, if Dr. Abdul Rauf has joined the meeting, kindly confirm that you are there, because Ms. Nadia Salim is going to present after a few minutes.
तो ये अपना तौर पर क्या करना?
आपको के
हाँ, 3 दफा कह चुकी है।
Dear Tehzeeb and Habiba, if you can call our other colleagues, please call other ones also to join the meeting, especially
Okay.
Miss Hina and Gul.
Okay. I try my best.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, and just keep in contact, please. Ji, Assalamu alaikum. I will again request Professor Dr. Abdul Rauf Saab to introduce himself as an evaluator of Ms. Nadia Salim. She is the PhD candidate who is going to present her presentation. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Hello.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डॉक्टर राउफ साहब, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आप काइंडली प्लीज माइक चेक कीजिएगा, आपका माइक ऑन है। आपके हेडफोन सेट में शायद कोई इशू है।
WhatsApp, what we have to do to share our screen, please guide us.
मैडम, स्क्रीन के ऊपर शेयर स्क्रीन की ऑप्शन आ रही है, वहां पे आप जाके कर लें।
वीडियो करनी है।
मैडम नीचे शेयर स्क्रीन का आ रहा है, आप उसको क्लिक कर ले।
Okay.
और दफा मुझे
This is not the share screen.
नीचे शेयर स्क्रीन का आ रहा है, आप उसको शेयर कर ले।
Okay, okay.
अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को पहले खोले, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को पहले, और नीचे शेयर स्क्रीन ग्रीन कलर में आ रहा है, उसको ओपन करें, क्लिक करें।
Okay, okay, okay. सबर तो करो। वहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है, देखो।
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम डॉक्टर राउत साहब, आप अब आ रही है आपको आवाज़? सर आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही, एक्चुअली फील हो रहा है कि आप बोल रहे हैं लेकिन आपकी आवाज़ हमें सुन नहीं रही।
डॉक्टर फाखरा या डॉक्टर फीफा, आप मेरी फोन पे जरा बात सुने, मैं आपको गाइड करती हूँ।
डॉक्टर फाखरा को कॉल करें।
जी डॉक्टर अफीफा प्लीज अगर आप बात
जी
सुन रही
अस्सलाम
हैं।
वालेकुम सर।
वैसे हम एक्चुअली आप ना
मैडम ये नीचे ग्रीन कलर का जो आ रहा है ना, आप इसको क्लिक करेंगी, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट जो है वो खोलेंगी डेस्कटॉप पे, और नीचे ग्रीन कलर को क्लिक करके वो डॉक्यूमेंट आएगा, उसको जाके ओके करेंगी तो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर हो जाएगा सबके साथ।
दैट्स फाइन।
जी डॉक्टर अफीफा पहले चेक कर लें कि जो आपके वैल्यूएटर हैं उनकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही। डॉक्टर मोहम्मद रऊफ साहब की आवाज़ में आप डॉक्टर रऊफ साहब को कॉल कर लें, फोन कॉल कर लें।
कॉल करें, उनको कहें कि सर अपना माइक ओपन कर लें, ताकि माइक ओपन रखें, उसको क्लोज ना करें, उसके ऊपर लाइन आ जाती है ना, बंद हो जाती है।
इसमें बटन है, उसको दबाओ।
ओके वी आर कॉलिंग हिम। उनको कि उनका शायद माइक तो नहीं बंद है।
आवाज तो आ रही है।
उसको पूछो।
हेलो
जी सर आपकी आवाज इधर नहीं आ रही, आपका माइक तो नहीं बंद है?
उनको बोलें कि उनके हेडफोन में शायद कोई इशू है, वो हेडफोन चेंज करके देख लें।
इसने अभी 2
और
महीने
उनको
पहले
कहें कि अपना हेडफोन भी देखें जरा, एक दफा चेक करें कि
अच्छा, अब वो
हेडफोन
कह
तो
रहे
नहीं
हैं कि
बंद
मैं अनम्यूट कर दूं, मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन अनम्यूट का आ रहा है।
अनम्यूट करें, अनम्यूट करें।
अनम्यूट करें आप।
Evaluator is there, is Dr. Muhammad Rauf. Thank you very much, sir. It's now over to Ms. Nadia Salim.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my external members, my supervisor, my co-supervisor, my colleagues, my classmates, my head of the department. Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to start my presentation now. Title of my research study is A Study of Job Satisfaction and Morale of University Teachers in Punjab, Pakistan. The study is supervised by Dr. Fakhra Aziz and co-supervised by Dr. Asma Shahid Qazi. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Nadia Salim. I have done my master's from Punjab University, IER, my MPhil from Lahore College for Women University, and I am doing my PhD from Lahore College for Women University. Now I am starting my presentation. Introduction. Job satisfaction has been an important topic throughout the years. The connection amongst an individual and job has always attracted the attention of philosophers. A considerable amount of individual's life is spent at work, but its civil fact of existence and societal expectation which men seem to confirm. Ismail 2012. According to Iqbal and Akhtar 2012, the learning of job satisfaction is an important topic around the world. In complete disciplines of life, as well as teaching and learning, a greater amount of work is done in business and industry, and in education also a considerable work has been done. Job is the requirement of any individual, and this fact even increases the importance of job satisfaction. अब हम देख लेते हैं कि जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन है क्या. According to Sharma and Jyoti 2016, they describes the function of job as twofold. On one hand, it is a means of income, and on the other hand, an important part of life. Job not only keep a person busy in life, but also a sign of social status in the society. There is a central role of satisfaction due to a person's job. According to Rauf 2012, job satisfaction is a combination of two words. One is job and the other is satisfaction. To understand job satisfaction, first we have to define what is job and what is satisfaction separately. Job is a task or piece of work, especially one that is paid. Which one is paid, it is called job. If it is not paid, it is called a service. Okay, now we look what is satisfaction. The word satisfaction first appeared in English language during the 13th century. Paul and Florenzo 2015 defined satisfaction and gratification, pleasure, or fulfillment of desire. Satisfaction is a feeling that comes from fulfillment of needs and wants. What is definition of job satisfaction? Job satisfaction is defined as the amount of positive feelings that employees have towards jobs or pleasure associated with their jobs. It is a positive response towards a job which creates motivation to perform a job with willingness and more interest. Job satisfaction is the most important factor which highly reduces employee turnover and cost as well. Armstrong 2009. Definition of morale. Kant Kumar and Bala Singh 2016 describe morale as a behavior of a person which he/she shows being a part of a team or an organization. It shows contentment and a feeling of accomplishment which a person gets from the team. So now we see that what is the relationship between job satisfaction and morale. General perspective of the common people is that a person who is satisfied has high morale. In this way, Evans 1998 observed that people are inspired to have an impact in the activities which leads to professional gratification. Their increased professional gratification leads them to higher morale. As stated by Khalil 2013, there is a general view that if employees are pleased with their work, their morale increases. Statement of the problem. Teachers are apparently the most valuable group of experts for the future of our country. Thus, it is depressing to see that huge numbers of the present teachers are dissatisfied with their professions. Khalil 2013. And it is very disheartening. If teachers are dissatisfied with their work, it leads to absenteeism, unaccommodating behavior to co-workers, and continuously exploring different employment opportunities. Dissatisfaction causes high turnover. If an experienced teacher leaves the job, so it is hard for the institute to find another suitable candidate, and it almost requires many resources to recruit and train the new candidate. At the first, a new teacher can't be productive. Approximately, it requires minimum 1 to 2 years of training and working experience with an institute for a new teacher to be productive. So the problem of the statement was to study the job satisfaction and morale of university teachers in Punjab, Pakistan. Here are the objectives of the study. The following objectives were formulated to conduct this study. First objective is to explore level of job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers. TTS is tenure track system and BPS is basic pay scale system. To compare the level of job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers. Third one is to investigate relationship between job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers. To investigate effect of job satisfaction on morale of TTS and BPS university teachers. इस स्टडी की यूनिक बात भी यही है कि जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन पे तो ऑलरेडी बहुत काम हो चुका है, लेकिन जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन पे भी हो चुका है, मोरल पे भी हो चुका है. इसकी यूनिकनेस ये है कि ये स्टडी पहली ऐसी स्टडी है जो TTS और BPS सिस्टम को स्टडी कर रही है कि इन दोनों में कौन ज्यादा किसकी जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन ज्यादा है और किसका मोरल हाई है. Research questions. The following research questions were formulated to conduct this study. What is the level of job satisfaction and morale of university teachers on TTS and BPS? Is there any difference in job satisfaction and morale level of university teachers on TTS and BPS on the basis of demographic variables? Is there any relationship between job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers? Is there any effect of job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers? Significance. This study is highly significant on the following grounds. Higher Education Commission is slowly and gradually trying to bring all the assistant professors, associate professors, and full professors under the umbrella of TTS cadre. As the results of this study shows that BPS teachers are more satisfied on factors academic environment, heads behavior, colleagues behavior, job itself, teaching and work activities, job security and physical conditions. Therefore, HEC should reconsider its policy of hiring the university employees under the umbrella of TTS. The research provides evidence for the government officials to create policies which ensure satisfaction of teachers with their jobs. The analysis is notable to provide suggestions to organizations management to improve the situations for better educational and teaching procedure. Methodology. This research study is comparative in nature. It aimed at dissecting the current situation about job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS university teachers. Survey method was adopted because requirement of data of large number of subjects. GATE 2012 states that survey method is the most convenient method as it is economical and rapid data collection procedure. Population of the study. A population is the entire group of individuals or items that share one or more characteristics from which data can be gathered and analyzed. GATE 2012.
Such type of things. Like population, you just tell us population is Lahore, and just many subjects were there. Either the definition,
Thank you, sir. In this research study, the research population consisted of all PhD university teachers of public sector general universities of Punjab, Pakistan. A sample of 557 PhD university teachers were selected by using simple random sampling technique. The sample size was calculated, it was 30% of the overall population. And according to GAY, for a population size of 1500, thank you. Research tools. For collecting data, two data collection tools were used. Both were adapted tools. Job satisfaction scale, morale scale. These tools were used with little changes with the permission of the author. Job satisfaction scale. The job satisfaction scale was also adapted. It includes 10 factors comprising 68 items. Its factors consists of academic environments, heads behavior, job itself, colleagues behavior, job security, pay, physical condition, working facilities, teaching and research, teaching work activities. It was changed as per study requirement. The word principal was replaced with head. The scale was based on strongly agree, undecided, disagree, and strongly disagree, as indicated by 5-point Likert scale for 1 to strongly disagree to 5 to strongly agree. Morale scale. The morale scale Purdue Teacher Opinioneer was adapted. It includes 9 factors comprising 93 items. The factors in the scale are teacher rapport with heads, satisfaction with teachers teaching, rapport among teachers, salary of teacher, teacher load, curriculum problem, teacher status, community support for education, universities facilitation and services. The scale was changed as per need of the study requirement. The word principal was modified with head. The scale was developed by Dr. Rauf and used with the permission of the author. The scale, morale scale was?
Technically, you should not mention the name of Mohammed Rauf. As presently he is conducting the Viva Source exam. So they can say he cannot do that. So be very careful in future in your life. Don't say the names of those persons which you have quoted in the teacher. Even my name will not be taken. So,
This scale was also 5-point Likert scale. A bilingual version of the tools was prepared with an Urdu translation for every item to clarify and to better understand the items. It was renamed as morale scale. The response for every item was on 5 options, that is strongly agree, agree, undecided, disagree, and strongly disagree. 22 items out of 93 were negatively framed. Validity and reliability of research tools. Both instruments were standardized. The reliability and validity were checked. Expert opinion was sought for validating both tools. MS and JSS and suggestions were incorporated. Both tools were used on 174 respondents, 74 subject specialists, and 71 lecturers in pilot study. After analyzing data, the Cronbach alpha value for MS and JSS was 0.92 and 0.93 respectively. That was within acceptability range under the guideline of law 2004. If Cronbach alpha is higher than 0.80, it will be excellent and will be adequate if it is higher than 0.60. Procedure of data collection. The researcher collected data personally and with the help of professional colleagues and friends. Data were collected through giving questionnaire. Questionnaires are written collections of surveys which are generally responded to a chosen group of research subjects. Before data collection, the researcher sought permission from supervisor in order to collect data. For this purpose, consent letters were distributed to head of the various departments and their faculty members. Additionally, the research subjects were given briefing and assurance that their responses would be kept in confidence. They were further told that their identification would not be leaked. Some questionnaires were filled out on the spot. However, the remaining respondents were requested for sending the filled questionnaires and some were collected personally. Data analysis. Data was analyzed by using a computer software SPSS statistical package for social sciences version 21. Descriptive statistics were used to measure the frequencies, percentage, standard deviation of the respondent. Pearson correlation R was used to find out the relationship of job satisfaction and morale of university teachers. Independent sample t-test was used to compare the job satisfaction and morale of BPS and TTS university teachers. ANOVA was used to compare the job satisfaction and morale of university teachers on the basis of different factors. Main findings of the research. It was found that there was a significant relationship between job satisfaction and morale of university teachers. It was found that job satisfaction and morale of BPS university teachers was higher than TTS university teachers. It was found that male teachers were more satisfied in comparison with female university teachers. It was found that overall job satisfaction was significantly different between groups on the basis of age. It was found that job satisfaction and morale increases as a person gets older. Some other findings are there. It found that postdoctorate university teachers were more satisfied with their jobs in comparison with PhD university teachers. PhD was the minimum qualification of the sample. It was found that merit university teachers were more satisfied with the above factors in comparison with unmarried university teachers. It was found that job satisfaction increases a person's designation is higher in rank. It was found that job satisfaction increases as a person's experience is higher in years. It was found that morale of male university teachers were higher in comparison with female university teachers. It was found that morale of postdoctorate university teachers were higher on the factors of satisfaction with teaching and teacher salary. It was found that married university teachers were morally high in comparison with unmarried university teachers. This shows that the morale gets high with respect to above mentioned factors as a person gets older. It was found that morale increases as a person's experience is more in years. अब आप लोग इसमें देख लें कि पीछे हमने देखा है जिन फैक्टर्स पे या जिनकी हमारी जैसे जेंडर में हमारी मेल्स की जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन ज्यादा आ रही है, तो मोरल भी उन्हीं का हाई है. अब इसमें पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट जो यूनिवर्सिटी टीचर्स हैं उनकी जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन ज्यादा है, मोरल भी उन्हीं का हाई है. पीछे हमने देखा जो हमारा फर्स्ट फाइंडिंग थी कि इन दोनों वेरिएबल्स के बीच में सिग्निफिकेंट रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट करता है, और वो इन सारी फाइंडिंग्स में आपको नजर आ रहा होगा। Relationship between relationship between job satisfaction and morale. This research showed significant positive relationship between job satisfaction and morale of university teachers. The findings of this research about the relationship of teachers' job satisfaction and morale are in accordance with other researchers, as even 1998 looked into that individuals having high job satisfaction had high morale. And the results of my study show same results. According to Khalil 2013, there is a common conception that if workers are satisfied with their employments, their morale will be high. Rauf 2012 also found a strong positive relationship between job satisfaction and morale. Job satisfaction and morale of BPS and TTS teachers. BPS university teachers had high morale in comparison with TTS university teachers. However, significant difference related to morale of university teachers on the basis of their pay structure was found. It was found that BPS university teachers had high morale on the factors of teachers' rapport with head, satisfaction with teaching, rapport among teachers, teachers' salary, curriculum issues, teachers' status, community support of education, and institutional facilities and services. The results of this study was supported. A study conducted by Mahmood 2011 shows that regular BPS teachers had better job satisfaction level than contractual teachers. Job satisfaction and morale on gender basis. There was found no difference related to overall job satisfaction of university teacher on gender basis. However, there was found significant differences related to job satisfaction on gender basis on factors of heads' behavior, pay and allowances, job security, and physical conditions. It was found that male teachers were more satisfied on the above mentioned factors in comparison with female university teachers. These results are supported by the study conducted by Lassie and Sheehan 1997, found the results that male teachers are more satisfied in comparison with their female counterparts. A study conducted by Rauf 2012 showed the same results, that male lecturers have higher level of morale than female. Job satisfaction and morale on the basis of qualification. A significant difference was found on job satisfaction on the basis of qualification, on the factor of colleagues' behavior, job itself, and job security. It was found that postdoctorate university teachers were more satisfied with their jobs in comparison with PhD university teachers on the above factors. Job satisfaction and morale on the basis of age. Overall, there was significant difference between job satisfaction on various age levels. Biswajit 2001 found the same results, that with the increasing age, job satisfaction of employee also increases, because with the age, his experience also increases and he feels ease in performing the job in a better way. A study conducted by Ghazi 2004 resulted that younger and older teachers are more satisfied in comparison with middle-aged. Another study conducted by Clark, Oswald, and Ward 1996 shows that job satisfaction is highest at early and older age, but lowest in the middle. Men's 2011 found the same results, that teenagers reported high level of job satisfaction, and it were down for the age of 20 to 30, and again increased in the age of 40, and reached the level of teenage. But in the age of 50s and 60s, job satisfaction level went more higher. It was a gradual increase with the increase of age, according to Van and Leslie 2006. Job satisfaction and morale on the basis of experience. There was found significant difference in job satisfaction on the basis of experience. It was found that job satisfaction increases as a person's experience in higher in years. On factors of academic environment, heads' behavior, colleagues' behavior, job itself, teaching and work activities, job security, and physical conditions. This result is in accordance with the study of Soni, Chawla, and Senger 2017 that assert that job satisfaction level remains low with low experience, but it increases with the increase of experience and especially near to retirement, because at this stage, employee cannot find alternative opportunities. Biswajit 2001 found the same results, that with the increasing experience, job satisfaction and morale also increases. These results also supported by the results of the study conducted by Rauf 2012 that subject specialists having more experience showed higher level of job than the less experienced. Job satisfaction and morale on the basis of marital status. Significant difference was found in job satisfaction of married and unmarried university teachers on the factors of academic environment, heads' behavior, job itself, pay and allowances, teaching work activities, and physical conditions. It was found that married university teachers were more satisfied on the above factors in comparison with unmarried university teachers. Job satisfaction and morale on the basis of designation. It was found that overall job satisfaction was significantly different between groups on the basis of designation. Job satisfaction increases as a person's designations are higher in rank, and these results are supported by the studies of Vale 1997, Sean 1998, and Yetim 2007 also found the same results. Recommendations. As there was significant positive relationships between teachers' job satisfaction and morale, therefore the HEC, Higher Education Commission and other policy makers should stress on boosting job satisfaction of university teachers so that their morale may also become high. Similarly, the morale of BPS teachers was also high than BPS teachers. Therefore, the Higher Education Commission Islamabad and all policy makers should try to make the morale of TTS teachers high. BPS university teachers had high morale on the factors of teachers' rapport with head, satisfaction with teaching, rapport among teachers, curriculum issues, and teacher status, community support of education, and institutional facilities and services. The policy makers should keep aforementioned factors in mind for nourishing the morale of teachers. There was found significant difference related to job satisfaction on gender basis in favor of male teachers on factors of heads' behavior, pay and allowances, job security, and physical conditions. Therefore, the policy makers should take steps to increase the level of job satisfaction of female teachers on the aforementioned factors.
मिस नादिया आवाज आ रही है?
जी सर,
एक्चुअली 40 मिनट का चेक होता है हमारे पास, 36 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं, या फिर हम दोबारा से ज्वाइन करो?
मेरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, इस दौरान कंप्लीट हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह।
सर इसको फौरी तौर पर रिकनेक्ट कर लें, सारे ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे दोबारा से, फौरी रिकनेक्ट कर देते हैं।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
I am here. I am hearing each and everything.
Thank you. It was found that married university teachers were more satisfied in comparison with unmarried university teachers. The policy makers should also take steps to increase the job satisfaction level of unmarried university teachers. Similarly, the policy makers should also take practical steps to increase the morale of unmarried teachers, especially on factors teachers rapport with head, teachers' salary, teachers' load, and institutional facilities and services. Recommendations. On the job satisfaction factors, academic environment, heads' behavior, colleagues' behavior, job itself, teaching and work activities, job security, and physical conditions, BPS university teachers were more satisfied than TTS university teachers. Therefore, Higher Education Islamabad should take such measures according to which the TTS teachers may have job satisfaction, especially on factors teaching and work activities and job security. Higher Education Commission is slowly and gradually trying to bring all the assistant professors, associate professors, and full professors under the umbrella of TTS cadre. as the results of this study shows that BPS teachers are more satisfied in comparison with TTS teachers on the factors of academic environment, heads behavior, colleagues behavior, job itself, teaching and work activities, job security and physical conditions. Therefore, HEC should reconsider its policy of hiring the university employees under the TTS system. Suggestion for further studies. As job satisfaction and morale of teachers with high grade designation was high than low grade designation, therefore more research is needed in this area as what are the reasons for it, and then practical steps should be taken for it. This research study was limited to public sector universities. Further research can be conducted on private sector universities also. This research was limited to general universities. Further research can be conducted on medical and engineering universities or universities of all fields. A comparative study can be conducted on job satisfaction and morale of TTS and BPS public and private universities. A study can be conducted on the comparison of performance of TTS and BPS university teachers. The study can be replicated to other provinces of Pakistan. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
डॉक्टर फीफा
Thank you very much, Miss Nadia Salim.
डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा तो मैं दोबारा से इसको कनेक्ट करता हूँ.
हाँ, मैं यही कहने लगी हूँ कि हमारे ऑडियंस से रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो थोड़ी देर के लिए वेट करें और दोबारा इसी पे ज्वाइन करें. And then I will request the Honorable Dr. Abdul Rauf Saab for making the comments. Thank you very much. आप इसको अवैसा अब इसको जरा दोबारा कर दें, फिर नया
मैं दोबारा करता हूँ. अभी एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग होगी तो उसमें कुछ टाइम लगेगा, तो 5 मिनट के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है. We will wait here. Everybody should wait here.
Okay.
सर वो 40 मिनट होते हैं.